If you're writing a business plan for your food truck, then you're going to need an executive summary. An executive summary in a food truck business plan is basically a brief overview of the entire plan. It's typically the first section of the plan and provides readers with a concise understanding of the key elements of the plan. Think of it as an overview of what the rest of the document contains. It should highlight the business concept, the market opportunity, the target customers, the competitive landscape, the marketing strategy that you're going to employ, the team that you're going to have, and the financial projections that show that this business is viable. The whole purpose of an executive summary is to provide busy executives, investors, or lenders with a quick and easy way to understand the essence of your business plan without having to read through the entire document. You want to therefore make sure that it's well written, clear, and persuasive in order to make sure that the person that you want to invest in your business is going to go ahead and look at the rest of the document, and they're not just going to stop reading where they are and close it. Ideally, a good executive summary should be no longer than 2 pages and should include the most important parts about your business, which we've already mentioned are things like the marketing plan, the target customers, the opportunity in the market, and the whole concept behind your business. If you'd like to know more about an executive summary, how to write it, and also how to structure the rest of your business plan when it comes to starting your food truck business, then check out the first link in the description where you can find our Food Truck Essential Guide for download and a coupon code that will enable you to get a discount on the full price. For more videos and more help with setting up and running your food truck business, then consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, check out this video on the screen here that talks to you about 7 items you should consider putting on your menu in order to increase your profit margins. We'll see you in the next one.